All right. Just tell me where you want to go. What you need help on.
I'm trying to think of. I didn't have a whole lot of trouble with a lot, but I'm 3.3 on some of the last ones
Mm-hmm.
when it asks if it's odd or even or neither.
Yeah.
Half the time I'd get like neither, but it ended up being odd or even somehow.
Okay. There's 11, 12, 13, 14 here. So which ones you want to do?
Um, oh wait, on 3.5. Wait, I think it's 3.5. My bad.
Odd and even's on 3.3. So, but we can do 3.5. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I think it was 3.5, the f of x ones. Like I think I have numbered like 24 and 22 and stuff gave me trouble.
22. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let me snap that over there. All right. So what we're looking at is we're just going to create um, a t-table, basically, and what we're looking for is this. We're looking for, let's see, you pick an x and its opposite, and you substitute it in. If it comes out with the same outputs, then it's even. Okay. Now, if I do the same thing and pick a and negative a, and it comes out with b and negative b, meaning an x and its opposite gave the same outputs but different signs, then it would be odd. And if it doesn't match any of these, then it would be neither. So let's just, the easiest thing would do is just pick 2. 2 and negative 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to evaluate it. So that's 2 to the 4th minus 1. And that would be 16 minus 1, which is 15. Okay. So we'll put 15 right here. Then we got negative 2 to the 4th minus 1. Again, negative 2 raised to the 4th is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. Right? So an x and its opposite gave me the same outputs. That would be even, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all you're doing.
The one that I had trouble with was x to the third power minus 5x, and then my
Which problem?
table
24?
had 2 as x and then negative 21. I mean, I had trouble with like most of those kinds. But when
Okay.
I did the table, it came out as
All right. So give me the.
x2 and y negative 2,
Nah, it can't
and
be that.
then x negative 2, y2.
All
So
right. So give
I
me
thought it
the.
was neither, but it turned out it was odd.
Yeah, give me the equation again. Fx equals what now?
Um, x to the third power minus 5x.
Okay. So I'm
And I
going to
did
pick.
2 with them.
Okay. All right. So we're going to plug this in. So that's 2 cubed minus 5 times 2, right? 2 cubed is 8 minus 10 equals negative 2, right?
Yeah.
Did you get negative 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we're going to plug in negative 2 cubed equals negative 5, not equals, sorry. Minus, just, all right, negative 2 cubed minus 5 times negative 2. Well, that is negative 8 plus 10 equals 2. So yeah, this right here would be odd, right?
I put neither because I thought it was supposed to be like
The
the exact
negative,
setup.
the negative and negative does not have to go together. You're just looking for an x and its opposite to either give you the same outputs or the same numbers but different signs. And it can be, the negative can be on the positive x and the positive can be on the negative x. That doesn't, there's no pattern there other than it's got to meet that criteria of giving you the same number but opposite signs. So
Yeah, that's what was getting me. When I saw the -2 on the Y side, I looked at it and I was like, that doesn't match either one. So I put neither.
okay. Yeah, so that's good there. So, all right. You got another?
Am I the only one on?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah.
I'm
I think
sorry.
no, that's fine. Amy, I think Amy, I had to bump it because we were traveling today, and so we just got in to our place. So I knew we'd get up here by 5:30, so I couldn't get up here by 4, so that's why I backed it up. So
Yeah, I got you. Um, Also, I think on 3.1,
hmm
number 18, 17 and 18, just the way that you're supposed to write those out, I think got me confused.
okay, we'll look at them. All right. Ooh. Express relationship 2z plus 4v equals 8 as a function. V equals. So you just solve in terms of v. So that should be the only thing you have to do. Did you?
Mine, the one I
So
had was 3h plus 66 equals 18, and then I had one that was x minus 64y3. I pretty much just kept getting it wrong and then saw how they kind of maybe wanted it. So that's what I did, but I figured if there was like an easier way.
no, you're just solving in terms of a variable, putting in terms of that variable. So then I'll turn around and I'll divide by 4, right? So I got v equals negative 1/2. Yeah, negative 1/2 z plus 2, right? There, negative 1/2
Yeah.
z. And that would be v equals f of z, where z is the input, right?
Yeah.
And v would be the output. So
Okay.
that's all you're doing. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that confused me. I was like, which one do they want?
No, it can get confusing. So yeah, the v equals just whatever it says equals, and you know the f of whatever's in the f of has to be the input, right? So yeah.
Oh, also too, how do you know whether to change the greater than and signs? Like in the first few problems, we switched them. Like we turned them around, and then
If
some
you
later problems, you don't turn them around at all.
if you multiply or divide across the inequality by a negative,
Okay.
that's really the only thing. Multiply or divide across that with a negative, and it will flip it. Um,
Okay.
all right. You got any more you want to look at?
I don't think I really had any more that kind of. I think everything else I pretty much just I got it either on the first try or I realized what they wanted from me after a little while.
Okay. All right.
I mean, I think I'm all right.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll put the I can put this up in probably 15, 20 minutes, and I got to let it do its thing. But if you need it, so
Okay.
that way you can go back and look at it. It'll be part of the stuff. So anyway, the test closes tonight. I need to think I put that back out there. But okay, if you got anything, we'll call it a night. And test closes, and we'll see you tomorrow night via online. Okay.
Okay. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Take care.
All right, you too, Mr. Palmer.
Bye.